Okay, today we're going to be playing Bump. We played Bump in class, but this time we're going to add a little extra challenge to the game. So you can play Bump by yourself, or you can play Bump with a partner, and you win this game by getting 4 of your chips in a row, diagonal, up and down, or across, 4 in a row, and that's how you win. Or you and your partner can tie if you all fill up the board before someone has 4 in a row. Okay, so there's blue chips and yellow chips. So if you're playing with someone, one of you can be blue and one of you can be yellow. If you're playing by yourself, just see if you can fill up the whole entire board with your chips. Okay, so Bump helps us practice with addition. So I'm going to show you how to play, and I'm going to pretend I'm blue and I'm partner 1. So I'm going to go first. You see that there's 2 videos with dice over on the side. The first video has 2 dice, the second video has 3 dice. So what we're going to do to play this game is roll all 3 dice and add them together. So I'm going to hit the play button on the first video to roll my dice. And you can pause it whenever you want your dice to stop rolling, so I'll pause it. As soon as I hit the second video, it's going to erase what I have on the first video, so I want to make sure that I remember those numbers or write them down before I hit and roll this dice for the second video. Okay, so I might write on a piece of paper what numbers I have for this first video. I have 6 and 2. So far I have 6 plus 2. I'm going to play the second video and notice how those other ones went away. My 6 and my 2 went away, so I have to remember that. Okay, so I roll this dice and I got a 1. So I'm going to add all 3 of my numbers together. So 6 plus 2, which I had in the first video, plus 1 more. So I know that 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 more, which I rolled in the second video, 8 plus 1 more is 9. So I'm going to look on my board and find the number 9. I see only one 9, which is over here on the side, so I'm the blue player. I'm going to drag my chip over and cover up number 9. Okay, then my turn is done and yellow player will have a chance to go. They'll roll the first 2 dice, and then they'll roll the third dice and add all 3 of those numbers together. And the sum, or the answer, is whatever number they will drag their chip and place it on top of. Let's say player 2 got a 9. I've already covered the 9, so player 2, their turn will be done, and player 1 gets a turn again. Okay, remember, you want to try to get 4 in a row, or you want to fill up the entire board. Okay, have fun.